Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So I just got in from class and I wanted to do a video on my first wig from Aliexpress. I ordered a wig from Ashimary hair. So they had a huge sale for $11.11. This wig usually costs $150 and it was on sale for $135. And then it was on sale on top of that. Like, they had so many coupons. I got $2 off every $15 I spent. So that took $18 right off the top. So it was only $121 for 26 inches. So we're gonna see how this is we're gonna see what it looks like. I've never ordered a wig before. Like, I usually make my wigs. I made this wig. So we're gonna see what happens. I know I talk so fast, but like, it came in a box and I'm not used to it coming in a box, so I was pretty shook. You know, I usually order bundles and make a wig. So it comes in this little box. 100% 100% virgin human hair. Make more beautiful, whatever that means. Make more beautiful. Oh Lord, I've never ordered it. So you lift the top off. Ooh, what is this? It comes like this. Oh wow, so it's body wave. It should be 26 inches. Got a little net around it. Oh, baby, look at that. Oh my goodness, this is really pretty. Is this 26 inches? I don't know, hold on, I have to, wow, that looks really pretty though, wow. Like, whoa, that looks really gorgeous. Let's see, here's the inside. I don't smell anything. It has little combs on the inside, the little strap. I'm definitely gonna have to pluck the hairline and stuff and customize it the way I like my wigs customized. This doesn't look like 26 inches to me though. Let's see. You guys know I have to have my measuring tape, so let me go. This looks really pretty on camera. Wow. It really does. Like, and it's like dark. It looks pretty, really pretty on camera. I see a little, like, it looks like it's a little thin right there, but honestly I don't mind because I'm gonna be wearing this as a middle part. I have a feeling they tried to make it like a middle part right there. This lace goes back pretty far. Like, I mean, I was expecting it to just be like a 13x4. This looks like it's going back pretty far though, like the lace. Because I like really love long middle parts. But let me get my measuring tape out. That looks really pretty though. It really does. One second, you guys. So I have my measuring tape. I really don't even know how to measure a wig. Let's see. I'm sorry, you guys. I look so basic today, but I was just so excited, like I had to open this. But this does not look like 26 inches to me. This looks clean. From where I measured, I don't know. Let me see. Let me try to measure this again. One second. I'm not going to do this on camera because it's just too hard, honestly. But this is not 26 inches. The way I measured it, it's only 22 inches. I may be tripping. I'm going to try to measure it again, maybe when I actually have it on. But let me show you all the stitching and stuff. So that looks stitched really well. Okay, I've never ordered a wig before, so I really don't know what to expect. I just know what, like, people told me to look for and stuff. So this is only 130% density. This isn't 26 inches though, I'll tell you that. I don't know. Well, I don't know. I really don't know. We'll see when I actually have it on how much it really is. But I'm so excited. Oh, that is really cute. That looks like a person. That's a money shot right there. That is a money shot. That is what I call a money shot. So guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. You're going to want to make sure you're subscribed because I'm going to be customizing this wig. Bleaching the knots, plucking the hairline, and everything. You're going to want to see this, I promise. So make sure you all subscribe. And have a great day. Thank you all for watching.